Hello everyone, Michael from Attention to Detail in Tempe. I'm going to show you this awesome product. Meguiar's Detailer Professional Choice Citrus Power Cleaner Plus. Low foaming, solvent free, concentrated APC for interior detailing. Extractor air tool, hand use friendly, safe on carpets, upholstery, leather, plastic, and more. Super concentrated. I get it from my wholesaler in Tempe. They are called Superior Image or Car Wash Services in Tempe, Arizona. And I'm going to show you some serious stuff here today. Now, don't be alarmed. Don't be grossed out. Because I believe it's just Coca-Cola. So I'm going to show you the side that I've detailed. I'm going to show you a couple tricks that I've learned from actually the Meguiar's class I took. Now, please, if you're a little squeamish, protect yourself. This is a headliner of a car. So it looks like it was soda that just exploded. And then of course you have all your hand grease, gunk, everything on here. But as you can see, I've done this it's literally everywhere in the whole headliner. So I'm gonna try to do this one-handed here. So I have myself my Costco microfiber. Use those mostly for the interior after I wear them out a little bit, using it for my exterior wax remover, sealant removal. Then I'll go to and use them on the interior. So the trick I learned was, I'm gonna try to do it with one hand here. So I have my detail brush. I'm gonna wrap it around the rag, okay? And then I'm gonna spray where the brush is. So pardon my one-handed action here. So this is a medium concentrate of the citrus. The one thing that's fantastic about the citrus cleaner is a lot of interior cleaners, the fumes and the overspray, they kind of choke you out. So if you're a detailer, excuse me, you know what I'm talking about. So now I just sprayed it on my brush. I have the bristles here on the back, and then I'm just gonna lightly find a spot, lightly go over it a couple different directions. And as you can see, it just melts away. Now I'll go back over with the microfiber and I'll just kind of dry it off. If I see a couple little spots, I'll hit it again with the spray on the towel and I'll wipe it again. This is how I clean the headliner of this car. And very simple, easy way to do it. You don't want to spray everything on the headliner because you don't want to absorb too much in that little fabric and the glue and start having it come down on you. So sparingly, as you can see, it's done a fantastic job on the back. Then I'm working my way down here. This was completely covered. It just melted that right off, made it look brand new. And I'm going to move on to the other side here. I'll finish this up real quick and we'll do a quick after. Hang tight, everybody. All right, so don't forget, I'm wearing eye protection. I'm wearing a mask when I'm spraying, making sure I'm protecting myself. I'm wearing gloves. So here's the headliner after. Just does an amazing job. This literally only took me a few minutes. Using microfiber, misting it on there, scrubbing it on the spots. Detailingin Tempe@gmail.com. Please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to smash that like button. Be safe out there and keep your ride shiny. Have a great day, everyone.